Hi, my name is Jackson and welcome back to another merchant tutorial from Vivid Payments. In this series of videos, we will go over the gateway functionality within the Vivid Merchant dashboard. In this first tutorial specifically, I will guide you on how to use Vivid's virtual terminal. After clicking on the virtual terminal tab, select which business and which terminal you would like to complete this transaction under. If the customer's information has not already been stored in the vault, you will have to enter their information manually. Vivid's virtual terminal works almost like an in-store terminal, except for everything is hosted online. This is especially helpful for advanced or over-the-phone orders. After completing all applicable fields from the customer information, you can now set the amount to charge and have the options to send a receipt, add a billing address, or make this payment an authorization only. After submitting the payment, you will receive a confirmation and your transaction will be recorded in your transaction dashboard.